Angie in real life, Angie in real life with one L. I am your hope dealer and your purpose pusher.
My lovely lifers and world changers, how are we? Welcome back to the channel. And today, what is on the agenda? Okay. Thank you for all the ones that's been traveling with me, that's been subscribed with me from day one, and welcome to all y'all new ones. And just in case you didn't know what the channel was about, motivation, inspiration through my life experiences and through the Word of God. So today, our women's fellowship is meeting at a restaurant called Rudy's, and I think I brought you guys here the last time for our women's fellowship, but I can't really remember. So, the goodie pail is on deck. And this is everything that we need for today's activity, along with my Bible. And let's get going. My tripod is in Shanita's car. So that leads me to hold you guys up. I'm leaving my wallet and everything. So everything that I need for today, I am the entertainer or guest the speaker or whatever it is you want to call me today. Okay. Let me get my jacket. Get my pail. And then y'all coming with me. So let's go. Our women's luncheon was great, and these are some pictures of the food that we ate. We basically learned about knowing those who labor among you and just getting to know each other, the women within the ministry. It was a great turnout. I'm excited for our next
Okay,
one.
y'all, I am ending my day. Dinner is leftover Chesapeake chicken, which is chicken breast stuffed with crab meat and with some rotini. What are them noodles called? My brain is stuffed. Some ziti, I guess, rigatoni. I forget. I can't think. I've had a very trying day. But what I wanted to show you guys is I just washed out my air fryer. Really, really good. And I've had these air fryer liners by Reynolds that I've never used. So I want to give these bad boys a try tonight. So let's see how they work. And the reason why I'm trying them tonight is because I want some garlic toast. Y'all ignore my stuff. Y'all know this is a house. It's my back door. But I want to make some French bread. But I don't want to wait for the oven to heat up and all that. And I can just put it in my air fryer, which is a Ninja fryer. We're a Ninja household, if you guys didn't know. Just washed it out really good. And this is unbleached parchment air fryer liners. Non-stick, easy cleanup for use in most air fryers. It says 50 liners. So I just washed this out. And by the way, this is a replacement. This is a replacement pan that we ordered from Amazon because I think I accidentally threw the other one in the trash. Now this has like square, but my air fryer is actually round. It's actually round. Y'all, I've had a trying day. I'm trying to rearrange my studio. And I don't know how to open these. I'm gonna get rid of you. You know what? I'll put them in a Ziploc bag when I'm done. Uh-oh. See, there it is. Patience, butterfly. Alright, so this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I feel like my camera is a little fuzzy. I think that made it worse. Lord have mercy. Is that better? Yeah, that's a little bit better. So, this is my air fryer. This is what the sheet looks like. Again, it's by Reynolds. So we're gonna put this back in here. It doesn't say which side it goes down. It's both kind of shiny. No need to turn the liner to fit the basket. No need to trim the liner to fit your basket. Liner holes allow for easy airflow and circulation. So that's what it looks like. Boom. Oven, air fryer, round or square. Said to use temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit on air fryer settings. Always place food on the liner before use. This will keep it from coming in contact with the heating element while it's in heating. So, I am heating up some Texas toast that I don't want to put in the oven. And it was frozen in the refrigerator. So, all that is stuck. The cheese is stuck to that one side. So, what we're going to do is add some more cheese. We're going to add some more cheese to it. That's what we're going to do. You can do it. Put your back into it. So we're going to add a little bit more cheese. And I just want to see how these liners work out. And this right here is, I had several different bags of cheese in my refrigerator. So what I did was I shredded it. I had a block in several different bags. So what I did was I shred the block and I mixed it together. I don't know how much y'all can see of that part. Uh-oh. That's it. Y'all, that song is in my head. 5 in the morning. Alright, so we got the cheese on there. We're going to pick this up. We're going to put it in the air fryer. Give you a view. That's how I look in the air fryer. The paper is in. The bread is in. And we're going to go in there for like 5 minutes. Air fryer. We got it on bake. We got it on bake. We're putting that thing clear 400. And we're going to take it down to 5 minutes. Maybe, yep. And then I'll see if the cheese, oh, there it is. The 5 minutes has started. And y'all know we are a Ninja household. I don't know if I ever showed y'all all my Ninja products. But look, we got the Ninja, blender. We got the whole set. We have this one, which came with several different little cup holders. And then I got the Ninja, pressure cooker. And then I did a review on this. We had the Ninja knife set. So I am waiting on my husband get me the Ninja pot set. And I'll be so excited. But I'll be back, guys, once this bread is done. There is my Texas toast. That thing look like a grilled cheese. Oh, look at the cheese pull. Look at that cheese hanging off. And it's all on the paper. So, look. Let me let y'all see the inside. It's dark because I'm standing there. It is. So, let's take it out. Y'all, I promise. I know. I promise. I swear I got birthday hands. This actually didn't need 5 minutes. All right, y'all. Look. Bam. Maybe a little bit of cheese fell through the holes, but that's a whole lot better. Reynolds liners. Boom, boom, boom. My husband big coffee caught in the way. Look at that cheese bread. Oh my God. I got a little bit on my mouth. Perfect, y'all. A little piece of cheese that fell through the crack. Easy cleanup. I'm wiping her out. Four minutes, 15 seconds.
Well, good morning, my lovely people. Well, I don't know what time it'll be when you get this vlog, but it is 12:09. I've been up for a little while. I've already had my coffee. I am hungry, so I decided to make myself breakfast. I have sausage in the air fryer, and I'm going to scramble me some eggs with cheese. And as I was cracking my eggs, y'all, oh yeah, before I get too far into today's vlog, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Welcome to all my new subscribers, and welcome back to those that have been here from A1, my A1s from day ones, and the new people are the A1s since your day one. But anyway, so my sausage is in the air fryer, and I just happened to crack open my eggs, and guess what I found? I have a double yolk egg, y'all. Look at that. And I was like, is that really a double yolk egg, or did I split the yolk? So what I did was I kind of like ran my fingers between the two of them, and it is actually a double yolk egg, y'all. How about it? It seems like in the last probably 6 months, this is like my second or third double yolk egg. So y'all, I'm taking it as double for my trouble. God is going to give me everything. Eggs symbolize life. Eggs symbolize a new beginning, and I believe, my God, we are embarking on some new things, y'all. So if the struggle seems like it's a struggle, then baby, look out, because there is something big that is going to come from it. Fight through it anyway. Today is a struggle day for me. I'm not even going to front. Your girl is struggling. I've had coffee. I didn't even have all my coffee because the stinking behind flies got into my coffee. A net, it's fall time, got into my coffee, so I really didn't get a chance to drink it all. But anywho, we're going to scramble up this egg. With this sausage. Good morning, my lifers, world changers. Today is a new day, and I am headed to the eye doctor. Yes, I'm already showered. I already got dressed. I know I promised you guys a try on. My face needs some lotion on it. I promised you guys a try on from my Temu haul. So let me show you the outfit of the day. Yes, these pants were $11, and if y'all can see it pretty good? And they have pockets on them. They got the word Vogue all over it. This is a regular shirt that I had in my closet. Let me see if I can put y'all down a notch and give y'all a better view. Ooh. So here it is. I know I'm in the kitchen. Don't judge me. It's better lighting in here for now. The Vogue pants. These are a 4X, which is considered a size 20 with them. But my jeans are like 18s. And it's plenty of room, as you can see. So I could have went down a size, but not really. Like, I will wear these in the fall, and I will layer them. So that's how these look. Curved booty. They're very thin. They were only $11 for some change. So this is how they look. And I am dressed for the day. We're ready to make some coffee. And then I'm out of here, y'all. I'm out of here. I want some coffee. I want some coffee. I actually like the way they fit. And this is actually my second time wearing them, so I know I said I would let y'all see them. So there you go. Hey y'all. We are in the car. Well, I'm where I need to be. I am getting my eyes examined. And it is at a Wal-Mart walk-in. And they're a vision center. They take walk-ins from 9:30 to 2. I think Monday through Thursday. So I am here to get my eye examined. I'm kind of excited. It's been a long time. And yeah, so I'm walking in, and that's what it is gonna be like. COVID has kicked up again, and my nose has been kind of runny, and my one eye has been kind of giving me issues that could possibly be my allergies. But the thing about it is, the last time I thought it was my allergies and sinus, it was COVID. So I'm being extra cautious today. And from this point on, I know the season is coming. So we need to start back sanitizing everything. Y'all be prepared, because we don't know what's coming. We don't know what's coming. Change your eating habits. Eat healthier. Start boosting your immune system now before flu season kick in. Now, I'm not a doctor or nothing like that, but I know that, look, be wise as serpents and harmless as doves. That is the word of God. So off we go into the wonderful world of Wiley. I want to take my coffee. But I don't want to have extra hands on different things. And I know people going to look at me weird because I got this mask on, but I don't even care. I know I don't want to be sick, Jesus. So I'll see y'all on the inside. Hi, my name is Angela, and I'm a walk-in for eye exam.
You have any insurance you're using?
I do have insurance, but I don't have vision. I only have medical.
Okay, you can have a seat back here, and I'll get you some papers.
Okay, thank you.
1:30 and then 2:30.
Oh, my face too big for them. She told me to have a seat, y'all. I'm shopping. Oh, we need friends. Okay, Juju. Oh, I like babies. Oh, can they please stop mentioning me in their comments? They really get blocked. Oh, they got Ninja Turtles. Paw Patrol. And one of my friends in Florida has it, so I'm like, ooh, I'm masking up today.
Is that better?
Yeah, that's from school. Sure.
Okay, so this one, you're just looking in there at that yellowish green blinking light for me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you may have to move your head just a little bit the other way.
To the left.
Yep. I'm like, it won't go over anymore. And then you should feel a slight puff of air. Good. Good. Okay, you may have to drag your chair back, but you're going to do the same thing on this one for me.
Oh, wait, over here.
Over here. Yeah, it's not only us, so just be careful. This one does not blow air at you. You're just looking in there at that little picture. It's going to go in and out of focus as the machine takes a couple measurements per eye. I'll turn the light back on. You can sit up.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a seat back out there and let me call me ready for you.
Absolutely. Thanks.
You're welcome, Helen.
All right, guys. We are shopping for glasses. What y'all think? Yes. Taking over your feet. Oh, that's too small.
I don't have any rings. I don't know, but I know she's here, but not much here. How can I help you?
Buy a pair, give a pair. Bio eyes. weekend is over and your girl, drum roll, need bifocals. My God. If that is not the sign of life, y'all, life is lifing. And you know what? I can't even complain. You know what? I'll take the bifocals because guess what? I can still see. But yes, I picked out some really nice glasses. The eye exam was $75. And so we picked out some glasses, and everything that I needed was for as progressive. I needed progressive bifocals. So I did the progressive lens with night glare and transitional lenses. So with all of that, it was like $457. And then if I took the transition lens off, it took it to like $257. No, $3 something. So they wanted the money all up front. So my husband told me to wait. If we could do half and half, we would have done half and half. But it takes 7 to 10 business days. And I do have my prescription, and I know what I need, and I like that brand. So even if I go online and possibly find something that's cheaper, that would be great. But the price is not an issue. So you get what you need, okay? And yeah, so inside of Walmart in Salisbury, they have a Charley's, y'all. A Charley's Crave and Quench. Baby, look. I got lemon pepper wings. Y'all know lemon pepper is my favorite. And I should have said extra lemon pepper. If you don't know, now you know. And yeah, Charley's cheesesteaks. This is called Charley's. Never had them before. And I got their french fries I got was the gourmet combo. So I got the lemon pepper wings, and the gourmet combo came with french fries with ranch, bacon, and cheddar. So you know we're going to need a fork for those. And then I got a ranch and a blue cheese dressing. Customer service was great. This is how they look. Guess I should get a photo. This is the fries. Why does this feel like heat to me? And then here are lemon pepper wings. They look average like every other lemon pepper wing to me. Oh, they feel crunchy. Let's get into these fries, y'all. And look, if these wings are good, they got 70-cent wings on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So I'm getting ready to taste these if they're to my liking. Lord, one, thank you for the nourishment of the body that I'm about to receive. For Christ's sakes, amen. Why does this still feel like heat to me? The temperature here says 81 degrees. All right, so there the fries go. That's a lot of fries, y'all. I don't know how I feel about this. You know what it tastes like? A baked potato. That's what it tastes like. This whole combo was like $13. Drink, wings, and fries. That's not bad. Y'all want to taste? Oh yeah, my eyes are dry, so he gave me an eye drop. There you go. I need one more thing while I'm in this area. I need some Lock and Twist gel. And somebody suggested a brand to me that I want to try. I know, y'all. It's way out of the plan. Fanta orange. I should have never tasted. I am not a big orange soda drinker. But the day I taste that Fanta orange, oh my God. Alright, flats or drums, comment below. We got 3 flats. And, oh, this is the first. We got 4 flats and 3 drums. Okay. There's a crunch. It's that tough pull that I like it. Definitely taste the lemon pepper, but it is not a Wingstop. And yo, I should have got the wings. I shouldn't even got the french fry, because I probably ain't gonna eat them things. Alright. Let's taste their ranch dressing. Yes. I wonder if it's made in-house. Comment below if you ever had Charley's. And this Charley's is inside of a Wal-Mart in Salisbury, Maryland. Y'all, I used to work at this Walmart. I should went over there and see if Miss Charley was there. This is the very same Walmart I got fired from. I don't know if y'all ever remember me telling y'all that story, but I got fired on my day off. And it was my birthday. Literally. I kid you not. Let's taste their blue cheese. I like blue cheese more with a buffalo wing than a lemon pepper wing. But that ranch is good. I wonder if they make it in-house. I like that blue cheese too. Okay, Charley's. Comment below if you like blue cheese or ranch. When I'm eating my wings, I like both, but really on a salad, I prefer Caesar. But I do like Thousand Island and ranch mixed. I don't know about y'all, but it seems like to me that the taste of things been changing. Even right down to the baby raised sauce. The sweet baby raised barbecue sauce, it don't taste the same. Not to me. Unless my taste buds are just changing. They might be seeing me for these 70-cent wings. And they're way closer than Wingstop. This is about 20-30 minutes from me. Maybe 20 minutes. Depending on the traffic. Anyway, I'm gonna let y'all go. Now me, when I come down here, I be ready to go home. I don't like staying out long. Especially when my husband home, because I want to be next to him. And I'm tired today. That was 2 wings, a little bit of french fries. That was my lunch break, guys. Thank you for hanging out with me. Woo! I see that y'all is liking the vlogs. So your girl gonna keep them coming. I am also searching for YouTubers to interview. I am looking for content creators to interview. If you got a story that you want to share, feel free to share your story with me. It will be broadcast on Purpose Inspired TV. All right, y'all. So next time I'll try the regular fries without the gourmet stuff. Those gourmet fries is good if it's gonna be your only thing that you're eating. But with a combo, you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. It says craves and quench. Overall, if I was doing a rating, a 10 out of 10, I would give the wings an 8. I like them. They're not better than Wingstop. Wingstop get a 10. The gourmet fries, they're basic. I mean, anybody can make french fries, so I didn't really get a good taste of the fry itself. Very salty. So if you got high blood pressure, I wouldn't recommend that you eat them. So I give the fries maybe a 6 or a 7. They weren't bad. But anyway, off the beauty supply, because I need a lock and twist gel. And I'll see you guys later.
In real life. Angie in real life, but 1 L. I am your hope.